The Open Science Commons Cloud provides the moral and technological backbone required for rigorous scientific research, education, and action in health and social systems improvement. We are a global working network enabling sustained, multidisciplinary collaboration between institutions and skilled individuals from different countries, operating on equal footing while grounded in the most stringent open science principles and methods. Our work brings together reputable, highly competent professionals across health disciplines, including One Health, EcoHealth, Public Health, Global Health, Mental Health, and Health Education. These fields converge where population health challenges demand coordinated knowledge, shared responsibility, and long-term collaboration beyond academic, institutional, or national boundaries. We exist because addressing real-world health and social problems requires more than isolated projects or fragmented institutional systems. It requires shared infrastructure, shared ethical standards, and the capacity to work together continuously, transparently, and at scale. To meet this need, we provide a shared, small-scale supercomputing environment with curated and integrated power tools, supporting participatory action research, advanced data work, secure collaboration, ethical video research, surveys, teaching, mentorship, and collective knowledge production. These tools are designed to translate cutting-edge scientific knowledge into practice, enabling real-world implementation that benefits populations. In practice, this means access to research and education tools that exceed those available in most universities. Members work in unified environments for collaborative writing and data management, secure research storage with versioning and access control, high-quality video systems for teaching, supervision, interviews, and focus groups, advanced participatory research platforms, and complete learning environments for open courseware and health education. These environments are interoperable, globally accessible, and configured for scientific and educational workflows rather than administrative convenience, with data and outputs remaining under the collective control of the community that produces them. The Open Science Commons Cloud is sustained by best practices in open science, fair data, stewardship, and ethical governance. Transparency is an operating condition. Roadmaps, priorities, and budgets are open, and decisions are made through democratic, participatory processes, supported by technology that documents collaboration and stewardship over time. We operate as a solidarity and contribution-based commons. Access is free for responsible researchers, educators, students, and social innovators who lack resources, and for those who contribute through research leadership, teaching, mentorship, coordination, technical stewardship, or fundraising. Those with funding sustain the infrastructure through memberships and institutional support, ensuring long-term stability and equitable access. Supporters and backers are essential to this work and are fully acknowledged as members of the community, with full access to shared environments and a voice in collective decision-making. At its core, the Open Science Commons Cloud is an excellence network dedicated to collective achievement. We co-author publications, build consortia, apply for competitive funding, and implement best practices in health and education systems, ensuring that the best available knowledge and tools are responsibly applied in the real world. Strength comes from working together. Each member contributes according to their possibilities at a given time, with no prerequisites beyond good standing, mutual respect, and honest work. If you are committed to advancing scientific research, health, education, and social well-being through rigorous collaboration and real-world impact, you are invited to join and contribute. Thank you for your attention.